Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today I am taking a look at an asset in the Unity asset store simply called Crash Crate. It's one of those where you expect to see hit something and something falls apart. Did review one of these a good couple of months ago. I think it was a column sort of thing. So let's take a look at this one. Now, instantly, this one stands out to me as being more than just a crate. Quality wise, it's not too bad. It's quite nice. Obviously, we get the crates. They aren't exactly the best quality. They're a little bit blurry, but I think they probably would suffice for testing purposes, playing around things and learning new things as well. Quantity, we get a fair amount here. It's not just the crate, like I say, we get all of this little environment for us to play around in. We also get a couple of scripts, a couple of sound effects as well. So I think there is quite a lot in the way of extras as well, because it's not just this crate that we get. So the whole idea of this asset obviously is the case of it's a crumbling crate. So that's kind of cool to see. And I guess it depends what you want to do with it. For example, let me show you. So if I go into prefabs and I bring this crate into the scene, and if I increase the size, let me do 3 by 3 by 3. Now, one thing that did strike me as a little bit strange is the fact that I had to actually modify this asset ever so slightly. So this one, we can see this is a standard crate. This is whole. This is not broken. It's one whole object. And if we look down a little bit more, we can see that, for example, this one here that I have brought in, that's a level of detail of 0. However, it is one of those which is fully breakable. So this one is fractured and whole. So it does have both of those to play around with, which again is always good to see. So if I look here, we can see the fractured 2. So if I bring this one in as well, let me increase this size to 3 by 3 by 3. Again, it's a little bit blurry, but again, it serves its purpose. So if I was to press play now, perfect. So it's broken a slightly different way. So this comes back to the fact of there is more to this than just a crate that explodes. So quantity, I think there's a nice amount here, and extras, definitely a lot in the way of extras. How versatile is it? Not too versatile, but you're not really going to want to change much with this anyway. If it's a crate that breaks, it breaks. That's all you need from it. So you're not really going to want to customize this any more than what it already is. How useful is it going to be? Well, if you've got, let's say, a first-person shooter game and you want to shoot some boxes and make them explode, perfect. These are going to suit that quite well. Folders, all neat and tidy. And we do have the demo scene that I am in right now. Always good to see the demo scene. Price is free at the time of recording this video. Remember, prices do change all the time. They go up, they come down. Just keep that in mind. Size is 16 meg, which I think is probably fairly big considering that we would expect just a crate from this. But we do have all the extras in there as well. So I think 16 megabytes is a fairly decent size for this particular asset. Now, as you guys know, I don't rate assets, I either recommend them or I don't. And I think for the most part, I would recommend this. I'm not too sure whether most people would need any of the extras around here, but maybe you're looking for an environment. This probably suffices quite well for some kind of warehouse environment or something. But yeah, the crate itself, I think, is good enough for testing purposes, to learn new things as well. So yeah, I probably would just recommend this to people who are looking to learn a little bit more about their game development and particularly exploding crates or something. So guys, have you tried this asset yourself? If you have, let me know what you think of it in the comments below. Is it good? Is it bad? What could be improved? And if you've got an asset on the asset store yourself, please link me to it because I'd love to check it out and review it in one of these little videos. Finally, don't forget, click on the subscribe button and click that bell icon as well. Stay up to date with every video I upload on video game development, including tutorials, reviews, and games made in Unity. So, until next time, guys, thank you very much for watching.